Just for 9 out of 10. Because if it's spicy,
I think-
then it will be 10 of 10. But I add it. The green chili you had,
Uh-huh.
you can add it additionally. So
Oh,
it's
yes.
really good.
It's very
So,
good.
Technically, you were 10 out of 10.
10 of 10. Oh! 10 over 10.
Yep. Completely like it.
Assalamualaikum semuanya, apa kabar? Hari ini kita ada di rumah Auntie Nasima. Auntie Nasima ini adalah tetanggaku. Dan sekarang hari ini kita akan bikin nasi biryani. Berhubung besok adalah Idul Adha, so aku akan bikin nasi biryani yang akan aku bawa ke tempat arisan. Nah, ini rumahnya Auntie Nasima. Oke, sekarang akan aku perkenalkan Auntie Nasima di sini. Ini
Assalamualaikum.
Hi.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I don't speak Indonesian, but English.
So, Auntie Nasima today want to show us akan petunjukkan kita bagaimana cara bikin nasi biryani yang enak dan lezat made in India. What did you say?
Bangladesh.
Oh, made in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Bangladeshi.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oke, sekarang kita akan persembahkan Auntie Nasima untuk membuat dan kita akan melihat apa sih yang dibikin oleh Auntie Nasima yang ternyata paling enak ini. Oke?
Okay. You put some fried onion also, 1 cup.
Oke. And after that you add like a fried onion. Okay. This
Yeah.
cumin.
Cumin.
Cumin 2 tablespoon ya.
Yeah, 2
2 tablespoon and the salt 3 teaspoon.
Salt you taste.
Taste all
Taste,
salt and
yeah.
pepper. Okay. This paprika.
Paprika.
Paprika powder
2
is like
tablespoon.
2 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon.
Cumin, yeah,
Turmeric.
turmeric.
3.
3 tablespoon. Make sure you wash this and put this.
Wash it, okay.
Yeah, wash and put it always.
Always, yeah.
Do not leave anything. Not like American people do.
Okay. Now we have it. Okay. Wash it.
Yeah,
This one too, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, wash it.
Put everything. Little bit water. Little water. Not that much. Yeah.
This one is
Yeah.
cayenne chili.
Just down.
Down.
That's it. Done. You don't have need to put water.
Okay. This coriander.
Yeah, put it. Put it.
Coriander like a 3
Three tablespoon, done.
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon in 1 chicken.
1 tablespoon,
One
1 chicken. And then I need all the seasoning in there.
Yeah.
All seasoning in there.
Yeah.
There's onion star
Let's start.
3.
Yeah.
There's the
4 is fine.
4.
Black cumin.
Black cumin, 1
Yeah.
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Mace,
Mace. Yeah.
1
teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. There's the black
Black pepper.
1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
Cinnamon stick, 3.
3 or 4.
3 or 4 is fine. Bay leaf,
4.
4, and you must to cut it.
That is good. Then it comes the flavor comes.
Okay. But this is
1
the
tablespoon or 1 teaspoon, whatever I did it. And yeah,
and then
regular cardamom.
cardamom, regular cardamom, 1 tablespoon.
Yeah. Just one. Ketchup,
Ketchup half cup.
yogurt, ketchup.
Ketchup half cup.
Yeah.
And
Yogurt.
yogurt.
Yeah.
Yogurt. One and
One
half
and half cup.
1 and a half cup. Okay.
If
Now
you need, you can put more yogurt.
we can put it.
If
Okay.
you taste.
chicken biryani, but like American style. It's not spicy.
Spicy.
Not
That's one 9 out of 10. Because if it's spicy,
I think-
then it would be 10 out of 10. Add it. The green chili you had,
Uh-huh.
you can add it additionally. So
Oh
it's
yeah.
very good.
It's very
So,
good.
Technically, you were 10 out of 10.
10 of 10. Oh, 10 of 10.
Yep.